Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a pie chart in Excel with multiple data. So let's begin. First select product and sales category. Go to insert tab, recommended chart, pie chart or all chart. Choose your pie chart or donut chart. Click OK. Added data labels. Then press Ctrl C for copy, click anywhere, press Ctrl V. Simply right click, first click chart, right click on your mouse, select data, remove to this data. Select product A on A6, hold Ctrl, profit C on C6, click OK. Again apply the same process. Press Ctrl V, apply the same process, right click on your mouse, select data, hold Ctrl D on D6, expenses. And now see this, a pie chart can display only one data series at a time. If your worksheet contains multiple series such as sales, profit and expenses, you will need to create a separate pie chart for this series. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.